Gus Schmidt back with a new trading video. So today I'm on the pocket option platform and I'm going to be trading currency, OTC currency pairs on the platform. It's Saturday, so those are the only OTCs is the only trading available over the weekend. So I'm going to be utilizing two indicators here. So if I click on my indicator icon on the platform, the first indicator is the Parabolic SAR or Parabolic Stop and Reverse. And the second indicator is the Williams %R indicator. Okay. All right. For the Parabolic SAR settings here, I've set the acceleration to 0.03 and the maximum acceleration to 0.3. And in the style settings, I've increased the line width to 2 pixels. Okay, now for the Williams %R indicator here, if we go to the settings, I have the period set to 10. And in the style settings, I've also increased the line width of all the lines to 2 pixels here as well. Okay. For my candlestick chart, I have the candle set to 1-minute Japanese candles. And for my trade timer, I am going to set it to 2 minutes. Okay, so I'll be taking 2-minute trades, fast 2-minute trades, while looking at 1-minute candles here. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video and look for my first setup. Okay, so I'm on the Euro Swiss franc currency pair here, and I just took a sell trade. And the reason why I took the sell trade is, first of all, the Williams %R line crossed below the 80 line here, the red 80 line in a downward direction. In addition to that, my parabolic SAR dots have printed above the candles here, and this suggests a downward momentum, a reversal move here to the downside. So we have confirmation from both indicators. So let's monitor this trade over the next 2 minutes and wait for the expiration. Okay, looks like the price is pushing downward. I have about 10 seconds left, I think. 10 seconds or so. Oh, okay. All right. So we won that trade. All right. All right. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay. So I'm on the Aussie dollar Swiss franc currency pair, and I just took a buy trade. Okay. And the reason why I took the buy trade is, first of all, the Williams %R just crossed over the 20 line here, the green 20 line in an upward direction. In addition to that, the parabolic SAR dots have begun to print below the candles here. In addition to that, we're noticing a bullish movement, a general bullish movement in the price of the currency pair here. So all these conditions and confirmations are consistent with a continued bullish movement to the upside here. So we're going to wait till the expiry at the end of 2 minutes. Okay, the price seems to be holding. Okay, great. So we won that trade. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on the New Zealand dollar Japanese yen currency pair, and I just took a buy trade. And the reason why I took the buy trade is, first of all, you notice the Williams percent R line crossed over the 20, the green 20 line in an upward direction. In addition to that, we have our Parabolic SAR dots print. We have four dots that printed below the candles here, and this suggests a bullish push to the upside, a bullish momentum for the price of the currency pair. So we have 2 minutes to for our expiry. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry here. Okay, it's pushing upward here. The Williams percent R is holding above the 20 line. Pushing. Okay, great. So we also won that trade. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and look for our next setup. Okay, so I'm on the US dollar Japanese yen currency pair here, and I just took a sell trade. And the reason why I took the sell trade here is, first of all, we're seeing a downward movement in the currency pair over the past few minutes here. In addition to that, the Williams percent R line crossed below the 20 line, the red 20 line, in a downward direction. In addition to that, we have the dots on the Parabolic SAR printing above the candles here, and this suggests to me the price will continue downward at the end of the 2 minutes. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Oh, wow. Okay, so that was a break-even trade. We didn't win, we didn't lose. Very close. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and look for one more setup. Okay, so I'm on the Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar currency pair, and I just took a sell trade here. And the reason why I took the sell trade is, first of all, the Williams percent R line crossed below the 80 line, the red 80 line here in a downward direction here. In addition to that, the Parabolic SAR dots have begun to print above the candles. And this suggests to me a bearish momentum to the downside over the next 2 minutes. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. While we wait for this trade to expire, I just wanted to mention that I'm only risking about $500 a trade. And the reason I do that is I want to, it's part of money management. You never want to risk more than 1 to 2% of your balance. It's good money management because over the long term, if your trades win more than lose, then you're going to be able to grow your balance. Okay? So let's wait for this expiration here. Okay, it's pushing down nicely.